In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Safari history with restrictions. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and normally to clear Safari history, we need to head over to Settings, then scroll down, tap at Safari, then scroll down again until we find Clear History and Website Data. But now, as you can see, this link is grayed out and we are not able to tap on it to clear our history and website data. That's because first off we need to turn off some restrictions on Safari web browser. To do that, we need to head over to Settings, then Screen Time. After that, we need to get into Content and Privacy Restrictions, then Content Restrictions. It may ask you to enter Screen Time passcode to continue. And once you get into Content Restrictions, all you have to do is just enter web content on your device. Like in my case, it is probably set to allowed websites. All you have to do is just select unrestricted, and then if we go back to Settings and enter Safari Settings, we'll be able to use that Clear History and Website Data feature. Just tap on it, select the period of time for which you would like to clear your Safari history. We can select from last hour, it means from 1 hour, to all the time. To continue, just tap at red button. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.